So what is the difference between tortoise and turtle? First of all.
Legs maybe.
Okay, so turtles are completely aquatic species. They live inside the water. Once in a while, they'll come out of water just to lay eggs and they'll go back. They have something called flippers. They don't have claws like this. Okay, whereas tortoise, they are called basically they are called as land mammals or land animals. So they live on land and they have elephant-like padded food. They walk on land. Once in a while, if you put them in the water, they're gonna drown and they'll die. Okay, never put them inside the water. They'll just drink water in shallow waters. Okay, so as he said, this one is a terrapin, but these guys they have webbed feet just like a duck. They can swim inside the water as well as they can walk on land. Okay, this specific breed here, this is called as red ear slider. They have red color mark near their ear region, and why they are called a slider is whenever they see somebody they'll slide into water. Okay, and these are from North America. They can live up to 30 to 35 years. They are omnivorous in nature. Okay, so you guys can find these guys in pet stores easily as a coin size turtle. Okay, people get them home and keep them as a pet. Later on, when they don't have space to keep them as a pet, what they'll do?
Leave them.
Sorry, ma'am. Throw them, huh? Where?
They live in the wells or something.
Yeah, basically they will abandon them in some lakes or ponds or wells. But is it right?
No.
Why?
They're used to food habits and all.
They can survive easily. But why it's not correct? Because all these are exotic pets, guys. So basically whatever you get from the pet store, they are non-native species. If you release a non-native species in a wild, in our natural habitat, they're gonna ruin everything, they're gonna thrive. So they will kill everything, they'll thrive. Okay, if you're getting a exotic animal, bird or a plant from any stores, make sure that you won't release it in our natural habitat. It's a threat. Okay, so you have to give them a bigger space or you have to surrender to similar sanctuaries like this. Okay, so right now I'm touching him on his back. Can you feel that?
Yes.
If I tap, can you feel the pain?
No.
Yes, they do. Because this is a part of their spinal cord, they have lot of nerve endings here, and this is made out of keratin, just like our nails and the hair. So it is not strong. So we assume that this is strong, but it's just like a shell, but it can break easily. So if I drop him from here to down, it can break. So they have rock-like structure to camouflage around the rocks. Okay. So how many teeth do they have? Four. So basically they don't have any teeth. They have something called beak, just like a bird. So they have very good biting force. They can easily chip off your fingers. Okay. Now everyone point out your finger and give it to them. No, I'll be coming closer. You guys can gently touch it on the back like this. Okay. Please be gentle. Don't tap it. Okay.